Right, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Luna Classic update today. And as far as I'm spending more and more time with Luna Classic, I noticed that Luna Classic is really interested to make its comeback and bounce off to the upside very soon. So what I'm gonna do is I've talked about the descending broadening wedge. You've seen this descending broadening wedge for a long time, and now it's starting to go sideways. Hopefully, you're gonna pop up and actually continue to go to the upside. But there's one thing that I haven't spoke about before, and the more I look at Luna Classic, the more I'm liking it. And that is, if I zoom out on the daily time frame here, you're going to notice that you have very good support where Luna Classic has always managed to bounce for a long time. A lot of people, when they see candles going down and whatnot, they tremble. People, and this is, I'm going to tell you this because it's important that never do that, right? Never look at things going down and sell off of the fear, okay? Don't be intimidated, but what is happening so much that you stop to think logically. You still have to have the guts, you still have to be very bold in the market, even if it's scary, right? And that's the only way to be successful. You have to be brave in these situations as well. So when other people are being scared, you see everyone is reactive to how the prices are climbing. If they see this, okay, that's amazing, let's buy. If they see this, oh, that's bad, let's actually sell. Oh no, I cannot bear to see this going down anymore, let's just sell. So selling comes with a big decision. You have to look if it's actually a good time to sell. Just because sometimes you're 9% down or 10% down doesn't really mean you have to sell anything. Even if you're 20% down doesn't mean you have to sell anything. And there are some times when you go 3% down and then it's a good idea to start selling because that thing can go even further down, 50%. So it comes with something known as reading the price action. Okay, so price action is the main language of a trader. If you are a trader, you want to understand the language of the market, you have to understand the price action. Just the same way as a musician or a singer understand music is the same way a trader understands the language of the market. It's price action. So every single candle is not random. Every single candle has a language. Now, as far as I'm concerned, the biggest language that I can decode right now is this is your support, and you have support. Okay, so this is the best buying place for Luna Classic ever since, November 2023, last year, because that's the very same place you have been maintaining the prices. Okay, so you've moved up, you came down, look at the touch and the move up, you came down, you consolidated here. Okay, so this consolidation can happen again right over here, and this move to the upside can happen again right over there as well. Okay, so you came down, moved up, came down, moved up, came down, moved up, you're coming down again. So probably now not only did you just come down, but you're also making a very big one bottom, second bottom, and this is a huge double bottom. That actually signifies that this is even the end of your journey to the downside. So one bottom here, second bottom, it actually means it's time to reverse to go back to the upside. Here's your neckline, you break above, and then you go to 17,000. It's just very simple, right? If I would have been selling this right over here, why? Because I'm scared? Is that even a good idea? Why not just take the time to look if it's actually the good idea to sell? Number two is I didn't sell because you have a dragonfly candle, you have dojis going on, and all of this is happening right on the support line. Okay, all you're doing is making wicks down and closing above the support line itself. And then the old dialogue that I keep saying, if we are holding the support the coin. If you lose the support, maybe then you can be a little bit afraid. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.